Welcome to the world of AI. Hello, I'm Dr. Monali Bordoloi from the School of Computer Science and Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. Do you have an idea what artificial intelligence is? What machine learning is? I'm sure most of you are familiar with these terms. Do they really mean the same? Do there really exist any difference between them? Come, let us dive deep to understand what they really are. According to John McAtee, artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Right after we wake up, most of us hold AI in our palms, our smartphones. We often click pictures in portrait mode. Have you ever thought that AI is behind that too? We use Google Maps almost daily, either to avoid heavy traffic or to get the estimated time of travel. These are nothing but the product or entity of AI which works how a human would think and handle a problem. This shows how impactful AI is in our day-to-day life. AI is basically us humans, how we think and act to solve a problem. AI has found its place in almost all sectors. Humanoids are helping to spread happiness among old-age people where no one is around them. AI is assisting our doctors to carry out complex surgeries where decisions need to be made based on multiple parameters monitored synchronously. Facebook, Twitter, Netflix provide recommendation based on their AI. Films such as iRobot, Robo, Avengers, Transformers have depicted the incorporation of human intelligence in machines. Thus, right from healthcare, education, e-commerce, entertainment, surveillance, social media, business intelligence, what not, AI is everywhere. Isn't it surprising to see machines perform complex and sensitive tasks with a high precision? Machines simply cannot act and think like humans, and unless they are trained to do so. This kind of human-like intelligence cannot be imparted into machines just by writing codes. They need to learn by themselves in order to handle real-life situations. This is where machine learning helps. Machine learning is a subset of AI which works with the help of big data, mathematical computations, and complex algorithms. Let us take the example of a robotic arm that is designed to lift fragile objects. It is obvious that it is going to break a glass jar or egg at the very first attempt to pick up. Only by self-calibrating itself and constant learning from the data it acquires, the arm would succeed to grab the fragile object without breaking it. Being spread in a wide range of applications, AI provides you with ample career opportunities. If you know AI, you can get the job of an artificial intelligence developer or specialist or developer, machine learning engineer, data science specialist, machine learning researcher, machine learning specialist, robotics expert, military and aviation experts, maintenance and mechanical engineers, surgical AI technicians, and lot more. To learn AI, you must have a good grip on popular programming languages like Python, C++, JavaScript, Java, Julia, Shell, R, and Prolog. Along with that, you should also know about algorithms and applied mathematics, calculus, statistics, algebra, natural language processing, and analytical skills. Right from its birth in 1956, the milestone covered by AI till now is undoubtedly highly appreciable. As AI evolves to the next level, it is taking the lead as the single most significant driving force for technology transformation. We are at this age where machines are starting to understand and anticipate what users want to do or likely to do in the future. In the transportation industry, self-driving vehicles are undoubtedly going to be the next big thing. Research on Tesla, Uber, Volvo, and Volkswagen are the forefront in this regard. By 2025-2030, AI will dominate the whole world. Healthcare, pharmaceutical research, retail, marketing, finance, intelligent process automation are some of the sectors that are going to see the fastest AI investment growth. For your secure and sound future in artificial intelligence and machine learning, VIT-AP University is offering courses solely dedicated to AI and machine learning along with other related courses such as robotics and its application. For more information, visit the official website of VIT-AP www.vitap.ac.in. Hope this video has given you an insight of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's meet up in the VIT-AP campus.